Hello student, myself Dr. V.B. Sonawne. Today we are going to see classification of gymnosperm by Chamberlain in 1934. So let's see the mind map of classification of gymnosperm. Classification of gymnosperm by Chamberlain in 1934 in his gymnosperm structure and evaluation. The gymnosperm group divided into two classes. First Cycadophyta and second Conipherophyta. First class Cycadophyta further divided into three order. First Cycadophylicales, second Benititales and third Cycadales. While class second Conipherophyta further divided into four order. First Chordatales, second Gingoales, third Coniferales and Nitales. So let's see the first class Cycadophyta. Cycadophyta are comparatively small with unbranched, short stem and large foliage leaves. Male cone are large, compact with a simple sporophyll. Female cone are loose with pinnate or a simple sporophyll bearing a large ovule. Transverse section of stem shows large pith, scanty wood and thick cortex. Cycadophyta divided into three order. First Cycadophylicales, second Benititales and third Cycadales. First order Cycadophylicales. Cycadophylicale have no living representative, or they become extinct in the Triassic period. Means earlier period of the Mesozoic era between the Permian and Jurassic period. The sporangia are borne on the leaves, and the sporangia never group into a cone. Many extinct plants show characters similar to fern and hence it is also called as pteridospermales. Seeds are produced on modified or unmodified foliage leaves. The ovules lack annulus. The stem is erect, cylindrical with a modulated protostele. Modulated protostele means the stele forming a solid rod with the phloem surrounding the xylem, or with a polystele. Means a stele consists of a number of vascular units. For example, Lignopteris. Second order Benititales. They have no living representative as they become extinct in lower Cretaceous. The female sporophyll have lost, meaning missing all similarity to leaves and are grouped into a cone. The male sporophyll are leaf-like, forming a loose interwoven crown and are never grouped into a cone. Plants are with a short stem, measuring less than a meter in height. They are slow growing and profusely branched. The leaves are large pinnately compound attached to the rachis, either on lower or lateral side. Reproductive organ are called flower. For example, Pilumsonia. Other example, Cycadioides. Next class, cycadales. All cycadales are xerophytic in nature. They have a living representative and are scanty, represented as a fossil. Scanty means small or a very little amount. The stem is short, unbranched, woody, palm-like and covered with persistent leaves. Leaves are large, pinnately compound, aggregated in a terminal crown. Pinnae are with a single midrib without lateral veins. Both male and female sporophyll are grouped into a cone, except the female sporophyll of Cycas, where they are in a loose crown. Microsporophyll are scale-like. Sperm are with a spirally band of flagella. Ovules are 2 to 8. Seeds are large. Cycads are a dioecious plant. Dioecious means having the male and female reproductive organ in a separate individual. For example, Cycas media, another example Jamia. Second class, Conipherophyta. They are large, evergreen, profusely branched and dimorphic shoot, means long and dwarf shoot, and the plants are with simple leaves and sunken stomata are present. The wood is pycnoxylic, means hardwood. Anatomy of a stem show have a small pith and abundant wood and scanty cortex. Plants are monoecious, means having both male and female reproductive organ in the same individual. The male sporophyll from a simple cone and female cones are compound. Conipherophyta further divided into 4 orders. First chordate, second gingoales, third coniferales and nitales. First order chordate. The majority of the chordateles are tall tree reaching 30 meter in height with a slender stem bearing a crown of branches. The leaves ranges from 2 centimeter to meter in length. The leaves are spirally arranged, simple, flat and strap shape with parallel venation. Reproductive organ are aggregate in a cone. For example, chordates. Other example, poroxylon. Second order, gingoids. Medium size tree with branch stem, differentiated into long and short shoot. The leaves are leathery, fan shape and deeply bilobe structure with a dichotomous venation. The wood is pycnoxylic. A male reproductive organ are clustered and unbranched, bearing microsporangiophore each with many pendulous microsporangium. For example, Ginkgo biloba. It is represent single genus and species. Other example, Beria. Next order, coniferales. Plants are shrubs and a large tree with a profusely branched stem. Leaves are needle shaped, flattened, scale like, spirally arranged, opposite, rarely whole. Reproductive organs are represented by a unisexual cone, means the flower has both male and female part. Male cone are small and arranged in a more or less compact cluster. Female cone are compound in nature with a large number of compactly arranged bracts. Bracts are bract scale. Each ovuliferous scales around a central axis. Resin canal occur in the cortex, rarely in wood and leaves. For example, Pinus. Other example, Abies, etc. A last order, Nettles. Plants are climbing, shrub or a small tree with a branch stem. The leaves are broadly oval shape and strap shape or scale like. Vessels are present in a secondary wood. Reproductive organ are unisexual, dioecious except Netum plant, and organized into a compact cone or strobilus. Male reproductive organ are with perianth, and a female reproductive organ is with a single erect ovule whose nucellus remain surrounded by 2 to 3 envelopes. Two cotyledons are present in the embryo, means dicotyledonal embryo. The micropyle project into a long tube showing similarity to style and stigma of angiosperm. For example, Nitum, another example, Ephedra species. So student, in this lecture we study classification of gymnosperm by Chamberlain in 1934. For getting like this study lecture, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.